Hello and welcome to ClearTax. In this video, we will discuss in detail how to respond to an intimation received under Section 143(1)(a). Before we get to the procedure, let us understand the basics of the intimation issued under Section 143(1)(a). After filing your return, the return is processed at the Centralized Processing Center, that is CPC, in Bangalore. This is a completely automated process with no human intervention. On processing the return, the intimation is issued. It is important to note that it is not necessary that all the intimations require an action from the taxpayer's end. This intimation is also issued when the return has been processed without any changes in the original return. Currently, most of the intimations being issued is due to a mismatch between Form 26AS and return filed. Step 1. Open the Income Tax India e-filing homepage and click on Login here. Step 2. It will direct you to a page to enter your login credentials. After entering your password, a tab will appear to enter your date of birth in case of an individual, or date of incorporation in any other case. Enter the CAPTCHA code and log in. Step 3. On successfully logging in, click on the e-proceedings tab. Step 4. When the e-proceedings tab opens, it lists the cases where notices have been issued to the taxpayer. Click on the adjustment under Section 143(1)(a) under the proceeding. Step 5. Click on Submit under the Respond tab. Step 6. The page will summarize the discrepancies and provide for an option where you may agree, partially agree, or disagree with the adjustments being made for. Select the option you see a best fit for your response. In case you agree or partially agree, you will have to file a revised return resolving the adjustments. However, if you disagree, select the Disagree option and click on Continue. Step 7. A page will appear where you can justify your reasons for disagreement. You will need to reconcile the variance appearing in the intimation issued. If you have any salary income which has been incorrectly disclosed under the head Income from other sources, enter the amount here. In case there is an issue where the deductor, that is employer in case of salary income, has quoted incorrect information, then specify the correct information here. In case there is a mismatch of income between Form 26AS and the return filed due to the allowances exempt from tax under Section 10, then select the right option from the drop-down list and specify the amount. Some of the exemptions under Section 10 include house rent allowance, travel concession, gratuity, etc. If you have any mismatch due to double taxation avoidance agreement, then specify the correct country code, article of double taxation avoidance agreement, and the amount. If none of the above reasons are applicable to your case, then you must specify the reason and the amount of mismatch in the other section.
Please note that if you have received an intimation due to a mismatch of professional tax, specify it here.
The dynamic reconciliation statement will auto-populate. And finally, click on Submit. Now you have successfully responded to the intimation issued. Thanks for watching this video. For further queries, write us at support@cleartax.in.